everybody, and happy Sunday. So today we're gonna do our unveiling of the new dishwasher. So there's the old one. It still works. It's got a couple of little quirks with it, but we're gonna gift it. We're gonna pay it forward to our neighbor because I would never sell it because we got it for nothing. So something I couldn't do. If I got something for free, I feel more obligated to give it away than I would trying to get money for it. But anyways, so stay tuned in a bit, and we're gonna show the unboxing. I'm just taking the old one out.
You might not say a bunch of bad words, but you might be doing an awful lot of grunting.
Yeah, well, yep. I will.
I hate to see what it looks like back there. That thing's been in there for 5 years.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna go down and push the hose up.
Ah, all right.
Through.
Let's peek. Oh, yeah, it's been in there a while.
Yeah, but could be worse.
All right. What's Daddy doing, Brody? Can you help him? Okay. Pull, bro, pull. You helping Daddy? All right. The old one's out.
Well, it's not out yet.
Well,
no, it's not. The old one is not out here.
Well,
still have to unhook it.
Yeah, the machine part of it's out. Now we gotta get it unhooked, and of course that's where our Tupperware is. Alright, let's look.
I should, maybe. I think maybe I will sweep this up first.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan.
Well, just because if it gets wet, then
it's gonna be gross.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so much easier to pull a fridge or stove out than something that's attached like this.
Well, it's just because it's kind of a process to go downstairs and feed the cables up.
Oh, it's definitely been under there for not been out for a long time. There's pumpkin seeds.
Yeah.
That is disgusting.
Ah, it's a pumpkin seed. It's not disgusting.
Well, they're dry.
It's not like it's
they're dry. They're dry. You could roast them.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like it's snot or something. You're so overdramatic.
Last time there was a pumpkin done in this kitchen, Hannah lived at home, so yep. Oh boy. Old machine's all out and all cleaned up. Just gotta let it dry and then he can unbox the new one. What's up?
Sky. What's up? Well, this is it. So, it is a Frigidaire. So we kind of got, so the one that I got is probably the more expensive bottom line, I guess is the best way to subscribe it, because trust me, I was not willing to pay what they wanted for really expensive dishwashers, because I'm thinking, if I'm paying that much for a dishwasher, you better make me suffer or something. And I mean, they are expensive. They are not cheap.
Helping Daddy, are ya? Okay. Oh, yeah, you gotta be careful.
There's just sometimes when you look at appliances, you go, how can an appliance be so expensive?
Considering that, 50, 60 years ago, appliances lasted forever, and now they don't.
Well, yeah, depending what you buy. That's the thing. You know, even some more expensive ones don't last. And there's some brands that I would just absolutely stay away from. I won't mention any. Obviously, this is not a paid
Yeah.
thing for, but we're just.
That would be nice though.
Yeah. So there it is. I know Kelly really wanted white.
Yeah.
But the problem is with white, you're getting the lower end, like really low end type of an appliance now. Appliances in general, it's hard to find them in like white and stuff now. They're all like dark stainless. Now I could have got the dark black, more black stainless steel, but I wasn't gonna pay the extra money that they wanted for the model. So, but this is still nice. You know, we don't have any small kids, so we don't have to worry about constant fingerprints and stuff like that. Okay.
You know, now we have to buy a new stove and fridge to match.
No, we're not buying a new stove and fridge to match. Okay, so I just kind of have to figure out where everything's going to be on this. I may need to cut a piece of this off because I may have to lay it down. But anyways, okay, let's just turn it around and kind of give a preview. Don't ask me how. Oh, okay, you just pull it.
Don't tip it.
Yeah.
There's styrofoam in there.
Yeah.
So what'd we miss you doing?
So just the in and out of leveling it. I didn't think you wanted to sit and watch me back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So.
Let's see.
Yeah, now we're gonna start hooking all the lines to the electrical.
Are you helping Daddy?
Yeah.
There's Brody. He came
Hey,
to
buddy.
help Daddy finally.
Yeah. Well, I'm just, yeah, so I gotta take off.
Oh, say hi. Oh. I'm getting out of there. Don't want to get squished by the dishwasher.
No?
Stay out of the way, buddy, in case it does slip.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting the electrical in. I gotta put this little piece in. That's where the cable goes in for the electrical, because the back of the hole back here is just kind of a drilled out hole and it's sharp. So you always gotta put either a plastic grommet, or it's preferred you put these, because once you put them in, it clamps down on the cable so it can't move inside the little box.
Let's see. Come on, buddy. Mommy doesn't want you with... You want to hold Mommy's hand. Okay, you can hold Mommy's hand. Yeah. You hold Mommy's hand? See, Daddy, no, come over this way. Come over this way. Come over this way. Get your bum over this way. Get your bum over this way. I'm not trying to put you in the box, dude. I'm just trying to get you out of Daddy's way. See, there's a big box right there, people. I think Mommy's trying to put me in the box. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm cramping up. Oh.
Oh, Daddy gotta take a break. Having a problem?
Well, when you get old, right? And you're bending and twisting like when you don't do it daily.
Brody, stay over here, buddy. Stay over here where it's safe.
Okay.
Told you he was gonna do a lot of grunting.
Yep.
Say hi. Say sorry, everybody, you didn't get to see as much of my cuteness yesterday.
Yeah.
Say, Mommy didn't have the camera on very much. Yeah.
It is what it is.
I know. Everybody loves your cuteness, right? It should be called Brody's channel, shouldn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it should be called Brody's channel. This episode's supposed to be called Daddy putting the dishwasher in, and you're taking all the camera time. Yeah. You're such a good boy, aren't you? He's such a good boy. Oh, I know. Tell everybody that Aunt Dorothy's coming over tomorrow. And Karen. Yeah, you love Karen, don't ya? Yeah. Oh. Tell everybody you fell asleep on Aunt Dorothy last night. Yeah. Daddy's doing a lot of grunting, isn't he? All right. Tell everybody we'll see you back in a minute. Daddy's just going to finish up that part. Now what you doing?
I am putting the water line on, and then I'm gonna go downstairs. Hopefully, I got enough slack to hook that back up, because I gotta test to make sure it's not leaking.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just like I said, hopefully I got enough room to pull that back, because I gotta make sure that's not leaking.
Okay.
All right. Okay, dishwasher's all installed, and I'm running it through its first test load. So hopefully everything comes out good. I want to thank everybody for joining us today. I know we didn't show a whole lot, but just something that we would share with everybody. Anyways, take care and have a good day.